Getting ready for Jamaica. First I have to get my hair done. Got my toes on already. Getting my hair done, and hopefully I get these done as well. So to get my braids done, I'm excited. Holy Spirit to control this atmosphere. Allow everything to go well. I'm gonna be happy with my braids, with my hair, with everything in general, and I'm just grateful for another day. So just waiting. I'm on time. BT dubs. So yeah. I blow dry to the best of my ability. I have thin hair, so. Okay. Yeah. I have them thinner. Okay. And I ain't got no edges. That's fine. We can make some. Yeah. You have edges. You have edges. Yeah. How long have you been braiding? I was like 14. I'm 23 now. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh wow. It's not for me. Why? I tried. It just wasn't for me. What? You're not like a. Yeah. Like wait. Let me think about it. Yeah. Think about it. I will. Thank you. I'm so cold, but the hair is done finally. Gonna go get some food. Then I'm gonna go home and pack for Jamaica. and pack for my birthday trip. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I don't need no AC. It was so cold in there. I don't need no AC at all. At all. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna drive and then head home. Alright, guys. I'm done packing for the most part. I just threw the stuff in the suitcase. I just have to do like my makeup and skincare. And then just to find like maybe like 2 other items. And then I think I should be good to go. I'm excited. Yeah, so I'll probably show you guys in the morning. Well, later on, because it's like 1 o'clock in the morning now. Later on how I packed. And for the most part, everything is light and airy. So it's kind of a little bit easy for me to pack. So yeah. Yes, my hair is looking good. When I tell you all she did it so neat. I just have to tie my edges down tonight so they could like remain. Yeah, but it's a little tight. It's a little tight. Basically gonna have my fake Louis in my suitcase. So I'm basically gonna have just my personal bag, and then we all have a check bag, so it makes it easier. So everybody packs what you need to pack. Make sure it doesn't go over the limit. I think I'm gonna have to read again to see what the limit is for JetBlue. But yeah, I'm so tired. I'm gonna go and tie my hair. Okay, it's about to be like 1:30, so I'm about to clean up, say a little prayer for me and you, and then tomorrow after church we get our nails done and then finish packing, and then we're all set to go on our trip. So I can't wait to take you guys along. I'm excited. Hopefully you can hear me because I'm like talking kind of low, but hopefully you can hear me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. That was sucky. Hi guys. Alright, so it's Sunday. We are at Chase because I have to get money to go get my nails done. Because they charge you a fee if you use your card, which is like crazy to me. Hi guys, so why he just stopped in the middle? It's a drive-through and the guy just parked his car. Oh, unless he's in an Uber. It's very hot today. It's 88 degrees outside. Welcome to South Florida.